Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. No one is your friend. Yes, this sentence sounds painful, but many people realize this truth very late in life. When everything is going well, when you have money, when you have success, many people will stand beside you. They will call you their friend. They will call you their friend. They will praise you. They will say they always believed in you. But when you are struggling, when you are trying to build your life, when you are facing failure, most people disappear. This is a powerful life lesson. My story. Let me share something from my own experience. There was a time when I had big dreams. I wanted to improve my life. I wanted to do something meaningful. I wanted to become successful. But the journey was not easy. When I started working on my goals, many people around me did not believe in me. Some people laughed. Some people said, "Why are you wasting your time?" Some people said, "This is not for you." At that time, I felt disappointed. I thought my friends would support me, but slowly I understood something important. Reality of the world. The world respects results. People do not care about your struggle. People do not care about your sleepless nights. People do not see your hard work. They only see the final result. That is why many people suddenly become your friend after you become successful. Before success, they doubt you. After success, they respect you. This is the reality, the hard lesson. One of the biggest lessons in life is this: do not depend on people's support. If you always wait for encouragement from others, you will lose time because many people will only believe in you after you prove yourself. So instead of waiting for support, start believing in yourself. Self belief is more powerful than approval from others. Importance of hard work. Success never comes easily. Behind every successful person, there is a story of struggle. There are days of frustration. There are moments of failure. There are times when you feel like quitting, but successful people keep going. They keep learning, they keep improving. Hard work may not give immediate results, but it always builds your future. Build a winning mindset. If you want to change your life, you must change your mindset. A winning mindset means believing in yourself, learning from failure, staying disciplined, never giving up. Sometimes progress will be slow, sometimes you will feel tired, but remember this. Every small step you take today is building your success tomorrow. Work in silence. One powerful strategy in life is working in silence. Do not tell everyone about your plans. Do not waste time explaining your dreams to people who do not understand them. Instead, focus on action, focus on improvement, focus on becoming better every day. And when success comes, it will speak for you. When success comes one day, your hard work will start showing results. People will notice your growth. Suddenly, the same people who ignored you may start appreciating you. They may say, "I knew you would succeed," but you will know the truth. You will know the nights you worked hard. You will know the struggles you faced alone, and that will make your success even more meaningful. Message for English learners. If you are watching this video to improve your English, here is a simple method. Listen carefully to each sentence. Repeat the sentences after me. Practice speaking slowly and clearly. Learning English is not difficult. You just need practice, patience, and confidence. The more you listen, the more you learn, the more you speak, the more confident you become. In life, many people believe that friends will always support them. However, reality often teaches us that no one stays forever except ourselves. This idea does not mean that the world is full of enemies. Rather, it teaches us an important lesson about self reliance and personal strength. No one is your friend should not make us negative. Instead, it should motivate us to build inner strength, independence, and confidence. When we become strong and successful, the right people will naturally come into our lives. Remember this powerful lesson. Do not chase people's approval. Chase your goals. Do not worry about who supports you. Focus on becoming stronger every day. Work hard. Believe in yourself. Stay patient. And one day the same world that ignored you will respect you. Because in the end, success changes everything. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also press the bell icon so you never miss any new videos. See you in the next one.